And hello, how you guys doing? This is another thing of importance. Hello, Music Hall of Fame and other music industries and things like that. In reference to the information, and hello, American Dentist Association. These satellite controllers trying to shitmouth the American Dentist Association. I think you should take it pretty serious in reference to prosecuting these satellite controllers for damaging my teeth and for them damaging other people's teeth, whoever they are. But, in reference to the information, this satellite man and these government people that have damaged my teeth, these people think it's funny. But check the history of their accomplishments, whatever they've done in life. Their activities of violating speech class and music class, vocals, and other things in reference to the history of them damaging my face and teeth. This satellite man or whoever they are, they thought that people sounded better when they had fake teeth in their mouth. No, man, that's not true. That's not true at all. You're violating the resonation of the vocals and the natural vocalization of lyrics and sounds. So we need that satellite man in court that tried to claim that they thought people sounded better with fake teeth in their mouth. My teeth are real. I'm not playing your game. You're trying to ruin real teeth, and you must go into court. The Royal Protocol in the media. My teeth are documented in that documentation. And it says, don't damage any of my teeth or any parts of my anatomy, government man. And you have to go into court and answer to the charges of your violations. And in reference to people that know who I am and have heard me sing songs since I was a little boy and, music and history, they need to file lawsuits against these government people too for damaging my teeth. What kind of honors have you accomplished, government man, in reference to the music industry? Reference to singing. Maybe you're tone deaf or something. I don't know what's wrong with your ears or whatever your problem is, but you don't have no right damaging my teeth or face. It's copyrighted, documented, in the Royal Protocol in the media, and you don't have a right damaging my face or teeth no matter what, man, or any other parts of my anatomy. You better go into court, man.